today I'll show you how to embed Jotform in Elementor with ease. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's functionality by adding a user-friendly form or simply want to streamline your data collection process, embedding a Jotform into Elementor is a straightforward task. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll want to navigate over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all your forms. Take a moment to locate the specific form you wish to embed. It could be a contact form, a survey, or any other type of form you've created. When you find the form you're looking for, click on it to select it. This will open up more options for you. Next, you'll click on the Publish button. This is an important step because it's where you'll access the link that you need to use in Elementor. Once you're in the Publish tab, you'll see a variety of options to share your form. Focus on the Share with Link section. This is where you'll find the link that will allow you to embed your form seamlessly. Within the Share with Link section, there's a button that says Copy Link. Go ahead and click it. This copies the direct link to your form, which is essential for embedding it later on. The clipboard is now holding the key to integrating your Jotform with Elementor, so let's move on to the next step. Now, head over to your Elementor workspace, open the page where you want to embed your form. It could be a contact page, a landing page, or any page that suits your needs. In the Elementor editor, you'll want to find and drag the HTML widget onto your page. The HTML widget is a versatile tool that allows you to insert custom code snippets, and it's perfect for embedding forms like the one you've just copied. Once you've placed the HTML widget where you want your form to appear, click on it to reveal the HTML code editor. This is where the magic happens. Paste the link you copied from Jotform into this section. Elementor will automatically interpret this as an embedded form and display it accordingly on your page. You can adjust the size and styling as needed to ensure it fits nicely within your design. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully embedded a Jotform into your Elementor page. This simple integration can enhance your website's interactivity and help you gather valuable data effortlessly. Remember, if you ever need to make changes to your form, you can do so directly in Jotform, and those changes will automatically reflect on your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on maximizing your web design capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.